Sanibona nonto aroma hours awu-2. Nginomcabango la ukuthi I have always for a period of time I've been advocating for abantu besifazane, because of course I understand our struggles, where we're coming from, and la singabakhona if kuthiwa mhlambe siyesekwa and yabo, and we are understood as females. But ngiphinde ngibe nomuzwa wokuthi uma ngabe siqhubeka as a society and just only focusing on women, ukuthi women are coming from disadvantaged background, women this, women that, sibuyisela back to square one, ukuthi sizolokhu sikhulisa abantu ababili abakhule ngendlela engafani, and yet khona for a certain part of their lives kukhona la benga coexista khona, or mhlambe kungafanele ukuthi sibafundise nje ama basics as one, yabo, bafunde nje as one. And I feel like even esikoleni, if usikwazi ukufunda ngeintuthwane no fish nenkomo and whatever else efundwa ngayo esikoleni, bekufanele ukuthi sibe khona study not only of our reproductive system but of our psyche, of ukuthi okay, umuntu wesilisa ucabanga kanje, wenza kanje, because bakhona ababhali who've dedicated their time and have done amazing research on dynamics surrounding males and females. And most of our challenges now is just because we don't understand each other. It's not because we hate each other as a species, but ingoba just understand. So we judge, but mangabe umuntu understand, like if uthu uzala nesifebe kini, sifebe whether somfana noma sentombazana, we just understand ukuthi hayi usiswami njengoba umbone kanje ingoba wakhula kanje ingoba kwenze ku1 no 2 no 3, ingoba ucabanga kanje. You can, if someone can ask you ukuthi indawo ubhuti wakhe isigebengu, ungachaza ukuthi hayi yabona usanele ukuthi akakhulanga nobaba, so manje wakhule angry because wakhuliswa ugogo, kanti futhi sekwake kwenzeka ukuthi nokuthi empilweni yakhe, which led to him now being like this. You understand and you've accepted it because uyamazi. So nathi as umphakathi, if usinga understandani ukuthi hayi nabona ke bafethu, hayi mangabe sisi sebebehave kanje ingenxa ukuthi mhlambe it's this time of the month, or yabo in their first week of the month this is how they behave, second week this is how they behave, third week. Yazi ukuthi this other writer did a research yokuthi most women who commit crimes bawacommita during PMS, that I think it's the third week, just before ayekuma periods. So lapho udiniwe, angry, and because of hormones and whatever. And most men who have a high testosterone, ibona aba aggressive, yabo, ibona obuthola ukuthi useyalwa, or emsebenzini uyena ozoba iboss because of testosterone high, kuningi. Even this thing even goes as far as ama-racists, like they will say ukuthi abantu besilisa abama-Asians, they have a low testosterone, so angisazi kwathiwa kumbe banjani bona, yabo, but they are not as aggressive as laba abanye abantu besilisa bethu ngapha. But lezo zinto lezo, I'm saying we need to learn those things. We need to learn about each other, and we need to invest just as much time as we do equipping women on how to survive, whether on their own or with their partners, and also teach our men ukuthi how are you to treat your woman mangabe uhlala naye as your wife, mawuhlala naye as your sister, mawuhlala naye as a colleague, mawuhlala naye as your boss. Hey, uma singakuqonda ukuthi omunye nomunye ukanjani kuma gender, ama challenges angancipha ama divorce, angancipha udlame olukhona within ama gender. Ziningi izinto engancipha because sizobe sesiqonda ukuthi lo yabona, I've got relationships. I was raised by my father, like not ukuthi my mom wasn't there, but he invested most of his time into shaping me indlela engicabanga ngayo, indlela engenza ngayo, yabo, nje nobumina as a human being. And I've learned and I've observed over the years ukuthi ubaba is a great communicator, and nge-research abantu besifazane are better communicators than men because of how our communicative brain wiring and whatnot. But men are also good communicators ngaleso sikhathi ekusuke ukuthi uready ukuthi uyakhuluma ngaso manje. Mawukuthi kuleyo topic uzodive kuyona, akukapakele, akutshele yonke into relating to that topic. But there were some days where I would be interested and eager to have a conversation with my father. Kuba ukuthi nje today my father is not there, and ngeke uzumenze lutho. He's just ubona indoda uthola ukuthi indwazile nje, ithule nje, ayifuni ukucabanga njengamanje, ithule ikwi-gap time of not thinking. And thina abantu besifazane, we can't do that because we are always thinking. There's always something in our mind that needs fixing, yabo. Even with relationships, even with men who are friends or colleagues or husbands or partners, khona nje izinto oyi-observayo uyibona ukuthi ubhebi ke la bese ngasayingeni. And then iyakufrustrate uma ukuthi you don't have a background or understanding of how this person behaves. But mangabe usumazi, usumjwayele, noma mhlawumbe usunayo i-research, uyarelax ubone ukuthi mangabe senza kanje kusuke kanje. So I don't know, Department of Education or whoever or ama institutions, asiyekeni ukubahlukanisa ubulili, asibahlanganise, bafunde, omunye afunde ngomunye in the presence of omunye. And I feel like that will help us in becoming a better society for the future.